With this method that I'm going to be teaching you today, some of the top earners on this platform have already made millions. This is just one of the ratings here. This is then their price that they're selling at. So at a minimum, they've made over $1 million in sales, and that's not even including the people that bought and didn't even do a review. Not only does that sound like a huge income already, the method that I show you at the end of this video can increase your profits again for not much extra work at all, just a simple link. So to get started, all I want you to do is head over to Google and search for PLR content. This is then going to bring up private label rights websites where you can then buy these ebooks and products yourself. The one that we're going to be using today is QualityPLR. This is one of the top ones to use, and they have tons of different types of products that you can then buy the rights for to then resell yourself or own completely. So if you come to their website here and then you go down the page a bit, you'll see all the different types of products that they sell, and then you'll also see that they do brandable courses. So this is where I'm going to show you how you can utilize this to make money with affiliate marketing. But also later on, I'll show you the second passive income, which is then going to go with the first website I showed you in the intro. Now, the great thing about this method as well, you don't just make money once you get a sale, you keep making money days and days after you do the work, which is why I titled this strategy as the best passive income method out there. The opportunity is there to make one sale and receive an income for a whole year after that. Also, I know a lot of people don't have much money to start to even invest in some of these PLRs in the first place, so I'll show you a separate way to not spend any money and still be able to do this method. So to get started, let's go back up to the top and then search for some content. So these are all the different categories that you can choose from, but what we want to do is niche PLR. As you can see, they then have thousands of different niches you can get into. This is why this strategy is so good. So whatever you do already, you can then do something around that. So say you're into beauty, you can then do beauty PLR stuff. If you're then into fitness or weight loss niches already, then that's something you can do as well. So for this example, as we do affiliate marketing here already, I'm going to go with that and use the PLR from this niche. Once you're then into the category, you can then see that you have the opportunity to buy some of these products. They're all pretty much full courses as well. I know this may seem a bit confusing about what we're going to do with these products, but it will all be explained later on. But for now, let's just take this one here as an example. It's a course on how to build a sales funnel, which is pretty simple. They're then selling the rights to this course for $10. The platform we'll be using later on is selling a similar course for double that. The beauty of this as well is that you only need to buy the rights once and then you own it forever. So now you understand that slightly, what I want you to do is find a niche out of all these multiple niches on the right here that you want to use. We'll then be using that niche and product to create a simple course, then sell it on afterwards. We're going to use this website to then find the content and then make it into our own course. Now, the great thing about doing this method as well is that using this PLR website, you can be in any category you want. Like I said before, say you currently do fitness and want to make a course around that because you know more about it, then go ahead and do that. But if you still want more quality information around the topic, then this is where this website comes in handy and you can use all the content here. So this is the reason that I'm going to go ahead and use the affiliate marketing niche to create my course and then use this for the next step. I want you to find something that you think will work for you and then you can use that. Now, before I move on to the next step in this process, let me quickly just show you a website similar that has a huge amount of free PLR content as well. If you head to a place called idplr.com, here you will then find a bunch of content like the other website, but it's all completely free. If you obviously do have $10 or so to invest, then I suggest you spending it on the other site. But if you really have no upfront investment, then use these on here. Obviously, the quality on here is slightly worse than the other ones. But if you have an understanding of the category already, like I said for you to try and do, then you can use more of your own content with the course and then use these as just a guide. So moving on now, we can now get to the website that will be bringing us in the sales and money by creating and selling these courses. So go over to a website called Udemy.com. This is where people are currently making thousands each and every day, with some simple and some complex courses that you can do and sell for a huge margin. Like I said before, if the content you buy is only $10, you can then create your course based around that and sell it for $20 upwards. And then you've already made your money back after just one sale. Like I showed you on the PLR products as well, you have lots of different niches over here on Udemy. So it's exactly the same. You have pretty much all the same niches. If you find one on PLR products, you'll find one over here on Udemy. So whatever you're passionate about, whatever you're interested in, or even currently do as a job now, you'll then have loads of experience with it already. You will then be able to find a course based around that. Let me just show you a couple examples now of how much people are making doing this method already. This here is a course based around web design. One of these sellers here is selling his course for £14. They then also have a minimum of 22,000 sales already, as they're the only ones that actually left reviews. This means at a minimum, they have made in total over $250,000 in sales. Another course here, a photography one, he's selling a course again for £14, but this time has nearly over 60,000 reviews. This alone, without the sales that didn't review and without the technique that I'll be showing you later, will have brought him in close to $1 million in sales. The reason this method is one of the best passive income methods out there is then because once you make the course, you don't have to do a single thing after that. This website is then going to promote it for you, and once you start getting sales and reviews like this, you'll then build up the social proof, which will then only bring in more and more sales. Like I said to you at the beginning of this video, I'll be showing you later how people are making even more from just a simple link added into these courses. Another huge payout and passive income from very little work. But if you just stick around, you'll see exactly just how it's done. Let me just show you now how you go about starting up with these courses and what you would do first to build up traction. Initially, let's just say we're doing an affiliate marketing course. If you go down to the filters on the left, you can then search for all the free courses by just pressing this here. This is then not only a great place to find more ideas and see how other creators are making courses, but also a great idea for you to do initially to get reviews and sales, which will then increase the amount you get, and then you can add a price in and start getting paid later on. Also, even when you're giving it away for free like these, I'll show you how you can then still be getting paid from the other method. So what I would say for you to do is download some of these free courses, understand how they're doing them and understand how they're making them. And then once you've got all the relevant content you want to use to create your own course, you've then downloaded these free courses. It's now time for you to get making the course. Now I'm in my Udemy account, I can now show you one of the courses that I've currently got, and then I can show you exactly how they're doing them. Obviously, there are going to be many different ways that you can do them. What you do, however, is just personal preference. If you're willing to do a voiceover, then do that. And if you want your screen recorded, then that's one of the ways. I found this course, on the other hand, that uses a simple PowerPoint presentation along with a complete voiceover from a free software as well. I'll just play a section of it now just so you understand what I mean.
ClickBank has spawned a large number of competitors.
So it's quite straightforward. The two main ways I would say you can do this is through PowerPoint presentation like this with relevant slides to what you're talking about. Then the other way could be done with the software I'm currently using now called OBS. It's a free screen recording software that works well with Mac and Windows. Then going on to the voiceover, the two solutions you could be there would be a simple voiceover from yourself. This would be one of the easiest ways to do it. If you don't feel comfortable, however, with this, then a voiceover from a software, something similar to SpeechHello, would work just as well. Or lastly, a paid option could then be to use a voiceover from Fiverr. However, you're then paying for that. All are completely viable options to use, so that decision can be down to you and your preference. This one that I downloaded here had thousands of reviews and was quite high up anyway, and the whole thing is 12 stages, some only a couple minutes each, and all PowerPoint presentation with the voiceover software. So now you understand how to make these courses, I can now explain how we can bump up our profits with simple links. Affiliate marketing can be used in this situation. This will work with any one of the niches that you've chosen, so don't worry, it doesn't have to be any of the marketing ones only. What these courses then do is over on the right here with the course content, they have resources in the slides relating to what has just been said in the course. So the idea of this would be to have a list of relevant sources of information or aids that would help the person doing the course, so you can input them in each part of these course contents. And say you then got paid for a sign up using one of these affiliate products, someone would then see this slide, use your affiliate link to sign up, and then you would get a commission off that. Again, depending on the niche that you've chosen, these affiliate products would all be different. You could use ClickBank for the products relating to fitness, as they've got a health and fitness category. You could then find any other online software relating to the niche that you've chosen. There are thousands out there, and then become an affiliate for them too, and put that under the course content. The one I showed you at the beginning of this video was called Convertkit. So say I was making a course for affiliate marketers, Convertkit would be a useful tool for them. This is then where I can then become an affiliate for them by signing up to their program and then enter my link into the course, making me then receive a commission from the Convertkit from the sale. Convertkit is also one of the many softwares that pay out recurring commissions due to its monthly payments from the clients. So this is how you can constantly build up your income month after month after month from very minimal work. The amount of different affiliate products you can use, however, is absolutely huge. Each niche has different ones, so you'll never be stuck for an affiliate product no matter what niche you've chosen. This method can obviously take a bit of time to set up initially, but that shouldn't matter, because once you've done it all and you've added all your links to everything as well, you're all set up to make money while you sleep without doing anything else at all. If you've enjoyed this video, then please drop a like and subscribe for future money making methods.